I'm guessing you probably know that bloggers are making thousands of dollars on the internet for simply typing articles. Now, what if I revealed to you a secret Google trick that allowed you to become an overnight blogger without having to write anything, do any work, and it's absolutely free? Would you do it? Well, all you have to do is go to www. Hey, welcome back. This is Ryan Hildreth. Now, before I reveal this secret Google trick that will allow you to earn over $2,000 per day, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below this video and click that little notification bell next to it so I can alert you on the latest ways of making money online. But check this out right over here. As you can see, this was a payment that was sent to me for utilizing what I'm about to show you, okay? But results like this are not typical. You may earn more than this, the same, or a little bit less, but I could tell you one thing: if you do not follow the exact steps throughout this video, results like these will not be possible for you. So make sure to not skip over any part of this video, okay? Now, I will be doing a $50 bonus cash giveaway this Friday, okay? The new rules will be at the end of the video. So if you want to enter the cash giveaway, make sure to watch until the end because I will be giving away the rules there for you to win, okay? Now, the 3 steps to earning $2,000 for free instantly using a secret Google trick are: number 1, I'm going to be unveiling the #1 Google tool you will need to generate cash flow, okay? Number 2, I'm going to show you the top 3 websites for getting paid out. And number 3, I'm going to show you my $1,000 per day autopilot system, but that will be as a bonus towards the end, so make sure to stick all the way through this video, okay? Now, according to moneypantry.com, right here, it says there's 101 sites that pay you anywhere from $50 to $3,000 per blog post, okay? Now, you can earn an extra $3,000 per month or even per day, depending on how fast you could turn out the work, okay, from the sites I'm about to show you. Now, there is a tool that I will be showing you after the 4 sites that I'm going to show you, okay? There is a tool that will generate the blog posts for you. You don't have to write anything. You don't have to come up with the ideas. I'm going to show you exactly how to utilize this Google tool, okay? But let's first go to the websites that will actually pay you so that you know how to apply and start earning your money, okay? Now, the first one is Transitions Abroad. They pay $150 per blog post, okay? And if you go there, this is how it looks. What you're going to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom, okay? And as you see right here, okay, our team of talented contributors consists of professional travel writers. So they want professional travel writing. So writing about, you know, how to travel abroad or the best countries to go to, this and that, right? And they're paying anywhere from $75 to $150 for one post. And that only has to be about 1,250 words to 3,000 words. Now, that's about a page to 3 pages, 1 to 3 pages. So a very short article, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get the content for that without having to write it yourself or worry about copyrights, okay? So you're going to get paid out by this site, $150 per post. They prefer PayPal, so they will pay you via PayPal, so make sure to have a PayPal account, all right? And all you have to do is click email us to let them know that you want to become a blog writer and submit your travel blog, okay? So that's what you're going to do. I'm going to show you how to come up with the content in just a second, but stick with me because I'm going to show you even more sites that pay you so that you have lots of different ways to earn money, okay? If we scroll down, you're going to see this one right here. Alaska Airlines Magazine pays up to $700 per post, okay? That's pretty significant considering if you do 2 posts per day, that's $1,400, right? And you can easily do that, all right? Now, this site over here is Alaska Beyond Magazine. All you have to do, again, is contact them right here. Please send queries to info right here. So all you have to do is email them and put the subject line as query and let them know that you want to submit your travel articles, okay? $700 for features of 2,000 to 2,500 words. So a two-page travel article, you're gonna get paid $700 by Alaska Beyond Magazine. That's pretty amazing. Okay, let's go ahead and go to even better site. If we scroll down, okay, we're gonna scroll down a little bit more. This site right here, Vibrant Life, pays consistently 100 to 300 per post, okay? So we're gonna go to that one. And this is pretty cool because they have lots of different things that you can write about, all right? That's why I like this one. You could write about health, exercise, nutrition, self-help, family, spiritual balance, interviews and profiles, informational stuff, environmental stuff. So this one's easy because you have lots of different things you could come up with, so you'll never run out of ideas. Now, all you have to do again is contact them. They have their phone number, the fax number, and the email. All you have to do is let them know that you want to submit your articles. Now you're probably thinking, okay, Ryan, I've heard of all these sites. This is great. You told me the sites to get paid. Now, how do I actually come up with the articles, okay? But I'm going to give you one more bonus site right here, which is textbroker.com. All right, this is one that's not featured on the Money Pantry, but this is probably the highest paying one because you could actually calculate your earnings. Now, if you do a good quality job, right? You do a 500-word article, they're gonna pay you out somewhere around 25 bucks. Now, if you do let's say a 12,000-word article, they're gonna pay you 600 bucks. And I'm gonna show you how to do that quickly and easily. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna come over to this tool right here. Now this is Google Docs, okay? So if you search on Google Docs, and you have a Gmail account, you will be able to access this tool for absolutely free. Now, all you're gonna do is you're gonna go over here to Tools, you're gonna click on that, then you're gonna come down here to voice typing and you're gonna click on that, all right? And then when you press click to speak, okay, it's gonna start writing out everything that you are saying, and it's gonna be very simple to type up a 5,000 word post or a even 12,000 word post in the matter of 10 to 15 minutes. All you have to do is talk into the speaker. As you can see, it's writing everything that I'm saying, okay? And I will go ahead and turn it off. All right, you press that. So how is this going to help us, all right? How is this Google tool going to help us? Well, what we're gonna do is we're gonna come up with a travel post. Let's just say they said to submit an article about the top places to travel. What I'm gonna do is go over here to this site called Quora.com. Now you've probably heard of Quora, right? This is a very famous forum site. And what I searched was top places to travel, okay? And I'm going to this first article right here. What are some of the best places in the world to travel to? I'm gonna click on that, and that's gonna bring us to this right here. And as you see, there's over 100 answers. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick the best answer on this site. Now, this is non-copyrighted material, right? These are just individuals like me and you posting our opinions and our thoughts on the site. But this guy actually posted something that's very valuable, and it's very well spoken, and it makes a lot of sense. There's lots of good cities on here to travel to. So what you can do is you can literally just start reading off the article, or at least the most important sentences in this article. You don't have to do it word for word, but you can do the most important sentences. Now, this is not copyright because this is not a brand. This is not a company writing this. They don't own the copyrights to these words. But to make it your own, I would definitely put in some of your own words. But what you can do is just read off the most important points in this article, okay? And then you can, read it into your Google Doc right here. You could read it into your Google Doc, and there you go. You didn't have to come up with the article. You didn't have to come up with the information, non-copyright, and you get to read it straight into Google Docs, so you don't even have to type the words. You could just say them out loud, and it will write it for you. Then you save the document and submit it to the blog article. That easy, okay? Very easy to do. And there's many other sites that you could figure out here on this Money Pantry site, right? Moneypantry.com. They're gonna show you 101 different sites that pay out for writing blog posts. So you can see and go through all these, apply to all them, and get paid. Now, the issue with this is that you have to actually trade your time for money. It still takes time to do all of this, okay? Now, if you wanna find out a way to earn passive income, not having to trade your time for money. You get to actually make money while you sleep because a business is doing the selling for you, okay, then click the first link down below this video. That's gonna show you exactly how I'm making over $1,000 per day in passive income, and I don't have to do any of this stuff right here and apply to different jobs, okay? In fact, my mentor showed me how to get out of, this rat race job, handing out milkshakes and burgers for minimum wage, right, to earning multiple six figures per year. In fact, one of my businesses, just one of my many businesses, is earning well over $1,000 a day, right? Yesterday, $2,400, last 7 days, $3,700, and just in the last 30 days, about $15,000 in purely passive income, okay? I didn't have to trade my time for this money. Now, if you want to learn exactly how I did it, again, click the first link down below this video. But the real cool part about this is it's not just the money, but it's the freedom that money can bring you, okay? The time freedom, right? I could spend time like right here. I took my wife on a nice vacation. It was our first vacation, and I was finally able to treat her to it because I could actually afford it, okay? Before that, I had credit card debt, I had student debt, right? And I was, frankly, didn't have time to go and travel because I was working 6 to 7 days a week, hustling away at a job that I absolutely despised, okay? But I was able to then earn money online and take my wife on a nice vacation. In fact, I was able to treat myself to something that I enjoyed, a supercar right here. This was my, one of my prized possessions that I own. That was one of my aspirations as a child, was to buy my dream car. Now, maybe that's not your aspirations. Maybe you want to just have some extra money at the end of the month, or maybe you want to retire your parents, or you want to spend more time with your kids or your brother and sister, right? Now, if you want those things, go ahead, click the first link down below this video, and it's going to show you how to truly set up a passion-filled business, okay? And I am doing a $50 PayPal giveaway, so if you do want to enter in that, again, number one, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications. Comment on all my videos, including this one. The longer comments, the better. Share my video by clicking the share button, leave a thumbs up, and check out the free training down below. And I will see you in the next one. I'm going to link 2 more videos right here. You can check out additional ways to make money online. Take care.